back. We're cutting it close here. Right now it is 12:44, and I know I haven't been posting for a while because I've been missing it. But we are gonna be there really close. We're gonna cut it we're probably gonna be this close, guys. So I love you guys. We are almost there. So we are gonna get this one, okay? We are gonna film this one. Get it. We are gonna do Independence High School. We did this one once, so now we're gonna do it again. I don't know if we might do my one again. I might do it in the next video, but I don't know what to say. But guys, I'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, let's go! We're cutting it close!
Alright, what kind of siren is this one?
Modulator 2008, guys. Or maybe 2000. Ooh, I'm scared.
Keep going. Where is he? He's tucked right up in the trees.
Hey guys.
Why don't you stand up here? We did it! Let's go! I'm all excited, guys. Well, finally we got it. We love you guys. We were, RC dude, if you're watching this, we love you too. We're gonna be cutting it close, guys. Right after I got right here, it just went off. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.